Good afternoon to all the viewers, listeners of our ECTV xhosa predictors. We would like to thank you, all of you, for your feedback, for your love that you have for us, for your support. But today we are starting a new journey, but it's not a new journey, it's an old journey. But now we'll be, how do you call it? We'll be consistent to our work, and then today we are starting to create our two odds. Our two odds will be for 20 days. 20 days. If we are betting for our two odds, it will give you 30,000 if you start today to bet for 50 rand to our two odds. For 10 days it will be 15,000 if you are betting starting by putting your 50 rand to our two odds. Even if you don't have 50 rand, you can start with your 10 rand to our 15 days or to 20 days. You will see where we are stopping, because I know money is tempting when it's 15,000 or it's around 9 to 3,000. It will tempt some people to take it out, but we'll start today for our two odds until 20 days. What we'll do, we'll start tonight 8 o'clock. Don't miss it. We don't want people who are greedy. Just take it as it is, and sometimes we'll just give you our codes for two odds. When we see our bees, we'll just share our codes online. Don't miss it. Thank you very much. See you next for our predictions.